Alright. Finally got all the things on my checklist done, and now I can start the train. Wait, what the?
A local area emergency has been applied to Wood County, Hancock County, Hardin County, Union County, and Franklin County. The following message was transmitted at the request of the local authorities. At around 12:35 p.m., local area time, a train originating from the CSX Stanley Yard had been hijacked by 4 suspects. The train is pulling 47 cars, including 4 tank cars carrying phenol, a highly toxic and dangerous chemical. Anyone near the train tracks are to stay at least a mile radius away. The civil authorities are investigating the matter as they identify the suspects involved. Please stay tuned for more information as this situation develops. Normal programming will continue after this alert. A civil danger warning has been applied to Wood County, Hancock County, Hardin County, Union County, and Franklin County. The following message was transmitted at the request of the local authorities. Eyewitness reports state that gunmen have been seen attacking local authorities that were attempting to stop the hijacked train. It is believed that the gunmen have a role relating to the hijacked train. These gunmen are considered dangerous, and they should not be met under any circumstances. If you have any information about these gunmen, call the local authorities at 614-645-4545. Please stay tuned for more information as this situation develops. Normal programming will continue after this alert. A civil danger warning has been applied to Hancock County, Hardin County, Union County, and Franklin County. The following message was transmitted at the request of the local authorities. There are gunmen attacking anyone who comes too close to the stolen train. It is recommended to stay at least a mile away from the train tracks at this time. Regarding the suspects involved in the hijacking, one of the men involved has been identified. The man is 26-year-old Leonardo Kingsley, a white male with brown eyes and blonde hair. He was last seen outside the cab at the front of the lead locomotive. If you have any information about the identity of the other 3 suspects or the gunman, please contact the local authorities at 614-645-4545. Please stay tuned for more information as this situation develops. Normal programming will continue after this alert.
Hello, and welcome back to KTLA News here in Los Angeles. I'm Ethan Anderson, and today we have some news coming from Ohio. At around 12:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a train was hijacked at Stanley Yard by 4 men. Police are on the chase as the train is moving at 60 miles per hour down an unknown route. There have also been reports of gunmen attacking anyone that gets too close to the stolen train. The concerning thing about this is that the train is pulling 4 tank cars containing phenol, a highly toxic and dangerous chemical that can cause burns to a person. So far the motives of the incident are unknown at this time. Until then, I'm Ethan and this is KTLA News.
Good afternoon, residents of Ohio. My name is Leonardo Kingley. It's a bit of a shame that America would have to lose one of their state capitals, but they should have thought of that when they did the crappy things the government has done. So long, fellas. Hope to see you again in Columbus.
A civil danger warning has been applied to Hardin County, Logan County, Union County, and Franklin County. The following message was transmitted at the request of the local authorities. The stolen freight train is heading towards Kenton and other towns following such as Ridgeway and West Mansfield. All residents in the listed towns must evacuate in case of a derailment. Pack up only the essentials, such as food, bottled water, clothing, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Flee the area as quickly as you can. Local authorities are already trying to assess the situation. Normal programming will continue after this alert.
Coming like a Hellcat.
A civil danger warning has been applied to Union County and Franklin County. The following message was transmitted at the request of the local authorities. A bomb has been discovered by police planted on one of the phenol-filled tank cars pulled by the stolen freight train. All residents in Marysville and surrounding areas are to evacuate immediately as a precaution. Pack only the essentials such as food, bottled water, clothing, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Please stay tuned for more information as this situation develops. Normal programming will continue after this alert. An evacuation immediate has been applied to Franklin County. The following message was transmitted at the request of the Columbus Division of Police and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An explosion that occurred in the downtown area of Columbus after a train derailed caused the release of a highly toxic chemical called phenol into the air. All residents in downtown Columbus must evacuate immediately. Pack only the essentials such as food, bottled water, clothing, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Use only the marked evacuation routes during the evacuation. Please stay tuned for more information as this situation develops. Normal programming will continue after this alert.
Hello, and welcome back to KTLA News here in Los Angeles. I'm Ethan Anderson and today we have news of a horrific disaster coming from Columbus, Ohio. The hijacked train that we mentioned earlier has derailed and caused an explosion in the downtown area. Likely hundreds of people have been injured or killed and rescue efforts are ongoing as of this report. The 4 suspects that were responsible For the disaster had survived the explosion as the Division of Police had found the locomotive itself only a few miles away from the site of the explosion. I'm sorry to say that as of right now, the suspects are still on the run. It doesn't help that over the past couple of months, a terrorist group known as the New Gods of America have been causing attacks in cities all over the country. So, please, stay safe, and until then, I'm Ethan and this is KTLA News.
Well. The mission was a success. Pretty sure that Ethan Anderson the Awesome is covering that incident. I'll make sure that he would get the best stories ever as me and my team continue our chaos. Until then, it's Mr. Washington and I'll see you again, Ethan.